mechanic for people? Hey, Jay, it's over now. Yeah? Yeah.
Is that Danny?
Hey, Danny.
Woo!
Oh, what's up?
Hold my hand until you turn to ashes. Love me till they put me in my casket. I got all these feelings that I'm asking. That's what I'm asking. Whenever I'm kissing in the house at your parents' time for you bend it, how'd you forget it? I think about you and nothing else. So if you would just come over, I could show you for myself. It's nights like this when I'm in your love, when you need someone that will my soul. It's nights like this.
Do you want to explain what we're doing?
We're just fucking chilling.
Bruh, I just realized I don't have the fucking the mic on. I need to turn it up to sense the thing.
I have emo car now.
It's now morning. We're on our way for the car show. I don't know, I looked over there.
Yep. And there's no extra tank.
Nope.
This is gasoline.
Correct.
And there's no propane.
No, sir.
Battery cable has to be disconnected, okay?
Sounds good.
All right. Man, I almost peed my pants. Yeah, have you ever seen an old
One of
man
those
pee
mornings, huh? Thank you.
All right.
Out of focus. We're currently inside the event. We got early parking. People cleaning their cars.
So that was pretty much it for the show. As you guys can see, pretty good turnout. I'm going to talk to a couple people, you know, different Instagrams, kind of mix, talk about cars, obviously. But, you know, tent is really dark, as you guys can tell. But that was pretty much it for this video. It was a quick little trip. It was a good turnout. I wish I had my car, obviously. But due to some of the events, I couldn't. But hopefully next year when I'm out here, I can either bring one or the other car. But, you know, once again, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, follow, comment, and subscribe.